Hi everyone, it's me Lily, and I just received my Okashi Connection box for the month of October 2015, and I'm wondering what is included in this month's box. So, according to the pamphlet, these are the items that are included in this month's box. Soon they're going to have different sizes, just like how Japan Crate and Tokyo Treat has. So, I guess this is like a smaller crate, a medium-sized crate, and like a big crate. Oh, that's interesting. I guess once they start changing it, I'll decide whether I want a bigger crate or a medium-sized crate. So this, I always tend to forget. They're like snap peas. It's a potato flavor. It says barbecue potato. Countryman cookies. I think they are cranberries, but I also see maybe blueberries. Okay, they just say cranberry cookies. Here we have a big bar Z, and I wonder if it's... Okay, so it's kinako, so I guess it's hard to explain kinako. It's like soybean flavored. They included a Pocky. I guess it's strawberry Pocky. Let's see. It's peach flavored sour gummy strips. I always forget what this is called. It's like a jelly type of drink, and it's two types of grape flavored, like the purple grape and then the green muscat, that they call it muscat grape flavored. This is a Magum kit. So we just have a few more Halloween themed Gleeka items. Big Thunder. It looks like a chocolate covered wafer type of cookie. What is it called? Anpanman, and it's I always forget who makes these lollipops. I'm just wondering if it's chocolate flavored. Yeah, it just says chocolate. Anpanman chocolate lollipop. It says mini bottle new. It is a little mini bottle, but I'm not sure what it is. It says mini bottle cider. So I think this is just like think of a pixie stick but in a bottle. That's interesting. Strawberry cookies, I guess, or biscuits. And finally, two gum pieces. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can always leave them down below and I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.